Good morning, everybody. It is currently August 1st. Happy August, everybody. So this morning's price action, let's talk about it and break down our trade. We did take a nice win live in the group. So when we look at the market today, we had NFP today, PMI also at 7, but we had 530 NFP. I looked at this and I was like, there's absolutely no way. And I also looked at gold. Gold had a beautiful, beautiful buying opportunity for NFP this morning. Just a huge rally. So my expectation when looking at my NASDAQ chart, I was looking for a sell all day long. I was either looking for manipulation, then a continuation back to the upside because we had Asian session all the way back up here. But I was primarily looking for that sell position. We caught that sell position right here. We took this for about an 80-point move. It did continue all the way down to this low, and then we had an opportunity for a buy back up position, and we'll go over what I made today. Let me flip to that. So here is the total profits we made today, $650 and $19.55. These are on pro accounts. Overall, just a really solid day in the market, and let's break this down a little bit more in depth. So this was our 6:30 a.m. candle. I always say breakout is above either this white line or below the zone. When I saw it push with force down through the zone and then retest, that wick is essentially a retest into our zone. And then it started to push down. I also will use ES as confluence for my trades. Tapped right into our next zone, had a reaction here to push back up. Because this is a 5-minute chart, if we were to break it down and look at a 1-minute chart, let's just do that so you guys can have a little bit more of a clear understanding of this. If we were to look at this, you can easily see on a 1-minute, the break, the push back up, and then we got into the trade. Again, right here where I said it had that reaction, again, what do we have? A break of the zone, a push back up, and you could have gotten potentially back into this trade to write it down to the bottom side. Then on a 1-minute, I started to see this bear flag start to play out, broke the zone at this area. I said, let's wait for a retest. We got our retest, the push all the way up into the zone. So if you guys have any specific questions, as always, please let me know in the comments, but solid trading day. And we did this all live in the team. It is up above in the bio.